We are in SOS condition. If you, for example, you are facing any problem, you say to your relative, "Yeah, I'm in a SOS." But if you take out this word out, okay, this word is become boss. Now it is become loss, and boss will never accept loss, will never admit, will never accept any excuse which is the cause of loss at any cost. Any boss, he wants profit. But we don't know the difference between boss and loss. What is lying? As student, you have been working here. आपने देखा होगा कभी इसके दरमियान में कभी सोचा? Have you ever thought it? Always remember these things, boss and loss. But we always believe in our 95% people, they have this type of mentality. We always follow our boss. We always find a boss. I already told you, you are the CEO of your life. You have to decide yourself, you have to take the decisions. When you are sitting in a class, whatever I have taught you, Mr. Zain has done a great job that he has recorded all the sessions. So whenever you need it, you can watch it and you may take the advantage of it learning. But sometimes I tried my best to give you some hints to change your life, to transform your life. You could say that transform your way of thinking. Yeah. At least way of thinking ही change करके देख लें आपका. I tried my best to ऐसा कुछ उनको दे जाऊँ. So once they are in the life, sometime it happens. It's working. Huh? It's working. It's working. So sometimes you have to change that. 5%, 95%. The people, we have the 95% mentality. We do not believe in the 5%. We don't want to be the part of the 5%. We never try. And to be the part of the 5%, we have to work hard. We have to study well. For example, if I give you the chance, because I have to teach the topic about, what do you do for 1 hour relief? Commonly, usually, for 1 hour relief or peace, what do you do? If you are in anxiety, depression, depressed, frustrated, disappointed, so what do you do to get the relief, to get out? Mr. Zain, for 1 hour relief, when you are, for example, you are frustrated, disappointed, depression, depressed, so you want to come out of this situation or time or environment, or so what do you do for 1 hour?
Sir,
you sleep. Normally you said you left the place, or you 3 guys who said we sleep 1 hour sleep. Mostly people listen song. So okay, keep yourself away from this situation. गाने सुनना शुरू कर दे. To keep our eyes closed. I'm agreed. I'm agreed with you that I'm so okay. Some mostly people commonly listen song, or otherwise people sleep it. But when you get up,
so basically these two are related.
Are related.
Person would like to relax.
Okay.
Actually, so whatever he likes to do for relaxation.
If you have a same situation in one day, then it's the same situation, but for one day. Situation, disappointed, frustrated.
For the entire day.
Whole day, 1 day problem.
You extended the time.
I'm going to extend the time. You have to participate.
Okay. So I engage myself in something else that will relax me, or that will give me some more. What can I say?
You feel good. You want to spend time with your family members. If I say go on picnic,
so it is not practically.
It is not possible.
It is not possible.
You can arrange a picnic suddenly.
You know that when you will get depressed,
and certain you cannot
arrange the programs. When you're depression, same situation for 5 days.
Sir, then I'll become used to it. Like we are.
It is you are getting relief or you are getting the peace of your life. Peace in your life. हमारी जिंदगी में अगर सुकून चाहिए तो क्या करना चाहिए? What do you do in this?
sometimes
We have to extend the time. Like
At that time, you just have option to pass the time.
you have. How do you pass the time? Question is that you need the peace in your life.
Make yourself busy.
How would you be? In which way, sense you will keep yourself busy? 5 days you will not do the planting or watering the plants. The same depression, frustration for 1 month.
I know you are going to increase, so after that you are saying 3 months, 6 months and 1 year. That's what I stop here and I said,
So why not you say get married?
already married to boss.
You want to increase the tension.
Sir, we are not going to increase our depression. We would like to relax.
We want to decrease it.
This is not a solution for us. Maybe it works for you, but doesn't work for us.
If you have a 1 month depression, you get married, you will get relaxed for 3 months. Then after 3 months, you will have 4 month depression.
I got it. So where we have the 1 month, get married. You can spend very good time, honeymoon, because you have the life partner, spouse, you are spending very good time, you forgot each and everything. So whatever the problem you have been facing, for a short while you forgot it. And after that, you will get the more problem. In whole life, you have the same problem.
It's not possible.
So how can you get rid it off? इससे कैसे जान छुड़ाएंगे?
Same problem more than you.
If you're frustrated, disappointed, I could see your face, read your faces.
Spend time with your friends.
Whole life. थोड़ा सा जैन साहब ने वो घुमा के मेरी बात को कह दिया बस. You have to upside down होना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा. You have to love your work.
You should be passionate about it.
Passionate with them. If you love with your work, you want to say poet, artist, designer, creator, musician. So if they have a love, their love. For example, I love teaching. So I always feel that I'm quite easy. And after conducting my few classes, I feel that I'm quite easy. The same, it happens if you need the peace in your life. What is it?
One piece, single piece.
Was third one? First one sahi hai?
First one is to
The third one? The second one?
second one is a small piece.
Small piece. Tukda, bit by bit. If you need it, you have to follow this. You have to. Final destination or final statement is love with your work. If you have a love with your work, with your passion, you always feel you have a peace in your life. Otherwise, you always feel disturbances. So what happened to us when we are doing the job, working at home or wherever we always feel anxiety, depression, frustration. We are not satisfied.